It's now time for Honk the car, Toot the boat, and Swo-Swoosh the helicopter in another of their happy adventures. It's a wet and rainy day in Springland. Where is everybody? Morning, ducks. There's Honk the car. Poor Honk. It's no fun waiting and waiting for the rain to stop. There's Woofy the dog. Honk hopes Woofy doesn't make him wet. Come on, Woofy, shouts Honk. Look what you've done. Now I'm all wet. There's Swo-Swoosh the helicopter. Above the rain cloud, it is bright and sunny. I hope it has stopped raining down there, thinks Swo-Swoosh. The little helicopter really wanted to play with his best friend, Honk. Oh dear, it's still raining under that gray cloud. Swo-Swoosh doesn't like rain very much when it stops you from playing with your best friend. What's that sound? There's Toot the boat. Toot is calling his little friends to come down to the harbor. Honk knew that sound. It was Toot calling everyone to come and listen to a story. I can't wait for this rain to stop, announced Honk.
Can't wait, huh? That reminds me of a story,
says Toot.
Would you like me to tell you a story? Oh dear, I think I've forgotten the story. No, what was it?
Says Toot.
Oh yes, the little caterpillar who needed to learn patience. Once upon a time, long, long ago, there was a bored little caterpillar stuck inside a cocoon, waiting and waiting with nowhere to go and nothing to do. Why am I stuck inside this silly old cocoon? This is so boring. I want to play outside, said the caterpillar. I wish I wasn't me.
Toot told his friends how every day the little caterpillar wished and wished she could go outside to play.
Let me think. What happened next?
Sighs Toot. I know, says Honk. After waiting in the cozy cocoon, one day the caterpillar woke up and she wasn't a caterpillar anymore.
Oh yes,
smiles Toot.
The caterpillar had turned into a beautiful butterfly and wiggled out of her old cocoon and flew away to play in the sunshine.
At last it was sunny again, and time to play outside. The sky is filled with butterflies, and Springland has a special rainbow. Look! Honk and Swo-Swoosh knew the rainbow was worth waiting for. Honk and Swo-Swoosh were off to find the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Good morning, birds. Morning, worm. Good morning, Honk the car. Look, new flowers outside Honk's garage. Isn't Honk lucky? He has such a lovely home. Who lives at the airport?
The airport is my home,
Says Swo-Swoosh.
I share my home with all the aeroplanes.
There's Toot the boat. Listen to him snoring. The harbor is Toot's home. Here, the water is calm and safe. Toot loves the harbor. Honk has a very good idea. Morning, Swo-Swoosh. Let's see where everybody in Springland lives, calls Honk.
Yes,
Says Swo-Swoosh. Shh, Swo-Swoosh, whispers Honk. Wolfie has a nice kennel. It keeps him dry when it rains and warm when it's very cold. Morning, Croak. Is that flat flower your home? Asks Swo-Swoosh. Yes, my home floats on the water, explains Croak. What a lucky frog. A floating home and a pond for a garden. What a lovely beehive. Look at how many bees are living together. Not too close, Swo-Swoosh, warns Honk. Bees don't like it if you go too close to their hive. Morning, Torty. Where do you live? Asks Honk. I carry my home on my back. My shell is my home, explains Torty. What a lucky tortoise. He can go back into his shell anytime he wants.
wow, a moving house.
Thinks Swo-Swoosh. Who lives inside this big house? All the farm animals in Springland live inside the barn. They each have their own special place. It's nice and cozy in the barn, says Honk. Look, there's Wally the whale. Does Wally have a home? Asks Honk. It's very sad if someone doesn't have a home. Honk and Swo-Swoosh decided to ask Toot about Wally's home. Toot explained to Honk that every animal in Springland has a place to call home.
Do you know where my home is?
No.
The big, beautiful ocean is my home with all the other creatures that live in the sea,
Asks Wally the whale. But where is your favorite place in the whole wide world? Asks Honk. Wally the whale loves Springland the most because this is where his friends live. The earth is a home we all share. It's a lovely warm night in Springland. Everyone is already fast asleep. There's Honk the car. Tonight, there's a special surprise in Springland. Toot the boat has invited Honk to come to the harbor. Honk loves nighttime. Listen to those sounds. Can you hear the owl? The crickets? The frogs croaking? Honk knows this sound. It's Swo-Swoosh, the helicopter. Oh, are you going to see the special surprise too? Whispers Honk. Yes, whispers Swo-Swoosh back. Honk and Swo-Swoosh don't know what the surprise is yet. There's Toot the boat. Look at how high the water is. The sea looks very full. What is the surprise, Toot? Please tell us, asks Honk, really wanting to know.
Can you see how high the water is?
Asks Toot. Honk and Swoshoosh could see that the water in the harbor is very full.
When the water is high, we call it high tide. Once a month, something special comes that makes the waters rise,
explains Toot. Honk and Swoshoosh wanted to know what could make the sea so high. Look, there's Wally the whale.
Is it time yet, Wally?
Asked Toot.
Okay, everybody, close your eyes and don't open them until I tell you,
says Toot.
You can open your eyes now,
calls Toot.
Wow!
The beautiful full moon over the sea. Now that's a surprise worth waiting for. Wally and his friends from the sea are enjoying the light from the moon. Now it's time for bed. Honk is very happy since he got to see the full moon. Honk can easily find his way back home. Thanks, Moon. Thanks for shining so brightly. It's a very special day in Springland. It's Animal Sports Day. Morning, everybody. Look at all those prizes. The special one is the prize for the best sportsmanship. Look, Toot the boat is going to start the running race.
Ready?
Calls Toot.
On your marks, get set.
Look how fast Woofy and Foal can run. And here comes Torty the tortoise. Foal is the fastest sprinter in Springland. Well done, Torty. Torty really wished he could run as fast as Foal, but that tortoise didn't mind not winning the race. Who is the best hurdler in Springland? On your marks, get set. Wow! Look at those hopping rabbits go! A tie for first place. Torty never gave up. What a good sport. Well done, bunnies. The next event, the high jump. Oh, hard luck, Floppy. Nice try, calls Honk. What a high jump! Croak the frog is the winner. Please, can I try? Calls Torty the tortoise. Honk and Swo-Swoosh decided to give Torty a fair chance. That was a very high jump for a little tortoise. It was time to decide the winner of the special prize, the prize for the best sportsmanship.
Well done, everybody,
announces Toot the boat.
The sports champion of Springland for trying his best and never giving up goes to Torty, the bravest little tortoise in the world.
Well done, Torty. It's a sunny day in Springland. Morning, birds. Morning, Lolly the lamb. Morning, bunny rabbits. There's Honk the car. Honk loves playing in the sunshine. What's wrong with those rabbits? Honk needs to find out. Why are you jumping about? Are you scared of something? Asks Honk. Look, Honk! Shouts Floppy.
Something's following us, and it won't go away.
Honk can't see anything chasing the bunnies. Look! Lolly's also got one! Shrieks Floppy.
So does Honk!
Shouts Floppy. Honk and Lolly think this is very funny. The bunnies are afraid of their own shadow. Honk tells his little friends that there's nothing to be afraid of. Everyone has a shadow. There's Swo-Swoosh, the helicopter. Look, Swo-Swoosh has a shadow that looks just like him. You see? Honk tells Floppy and Fluffy. Shadows are fun. Come, let's play a game. There's Toot the boat. Toot is watching Honk teach his friends how to play a new game. The game is called Your Shadow, My Shadow. What a fun game to play on a sunny day. Okay, everybody, calls Honk. Now we all have to go backwards. Oh dear, where have all the shadows gone? Nobody can find his or her shadow. Wait, there's Honk's shadow. It's come back. Oh no! Now it's gone away again. Toot told everyone where our shadow comes from. We only have a shadow when the sun is shining. When there are clouds, there's no sunshine. If there's no sunshine, our shadow hides away. I know, calls Honk. My shadow hides away in the shade.
You're a very clever little car, Honk,
says Toot. Please go away, Cloud, whispers Swo-Swoosh. We need our sunshine back to play the shadow game. Swo-Swoosh to the rescue, calls Swo-Swoosh. Swoshoosh had come to the rescue and blown the cloud away. Everyone in Springland was happy again. Have fun, everybody! It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning, Woofy. Morning, Busy Bunnies. Morning, Lolly the Lamb. Look, there's Honk the car. Lolly is trying to hide away from Honk. Boo! Bleats Lolly the Lamb in her biggest voice. Honk knew Lolly wanted to play a fun game. You gave me a big fright, Lolly. Do you want to play hide and seek? Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, calls Honk. I'm coming to find you, ready or not. Oh dear, Lolly didn't find a very good hiding place. It was very easy for Honk to find Lolly. Honk thinks he's found a good hiding place. Listen to Lolly. She's only little and can't count so well. Who's going to help Lolly count to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, counts Lolly the Lamb. What comes after 4? 5, 6, 8, no, 7, 8, 9. What's the last number again? I remember 10. Oh dear, how will Lolly find Honk? Look, there's Swo-Swoosh, the helicopter. Honk, why is your head stuck in that silly old hedge? Calls Swo-Swoosh. Did you lose something in the hedge, Honk? Calls Swo-Swoosh. Oh dear, Swo-Swoosh is going to show Lolly where Honk is hiding. whispers Honk. I'm playing hide and seek, and I don't want Lolly to find me.
There you are, Honk.
Bleats Lolly the lamb.
I'm the cleverest sheep in Springland.
It was now Swo-Swoosh's turn to hide. Look, there's Toot the boat. Morning, Toot, calls Honk. We are playing hide and seek. Have you seen Swo-Swoosh? Toot didn't want to give away Swo-Swoosh's secret hiding place.
Swoosh-swoosh, let me think. Where could Swoosh-swoosh be?
Pretends Toot.
Shh! Be quiet, Woofy.
Whispers Swo-Swoosh.
If you keep barking like that, they'll find me.
And Honk and Lolly did. It was now Woofy's turn to run and hide. Hide and seek is a fun game for a sunny day. Who wants to play? It's a lovely day in Springland. Look at all those lovely colors in the rainbow. Morning, Swo-Swoosh the helicopter. Morning, Porky Pigs. Morning, cow. There's Honk the car. Honk and Swo-Swoosh are going to play a special game today. Are you ready, Swo-Swoosh? Close your eyes, calls Honk. I spy with my little eye something that is yellow, says Honk. You can open your eyes now. The clouds, says Swo-Swoosh, but Swo-Swoosh was wrong. The clouds aren't yellow, the clouds are white.
I know! The baby ducks are yellow!
Clever, Swo-Swoosh. The baby ducks are yellow and nice and fluffy.
I spy with my little eye something that is bright red,
says Swo-Swoosh. Oh, that's easy. The piglets, calls Honk.
No.
Honk was wrong. The pigs aren't bright red. They're a pink color. I know, I'm red.
Yes, you're also red, Honk,
giggles Swo-Swoosh, but you can't fly. At last, Honk saw the bright red, beautiful butterfly. I Spy is such a fun game to play. I spy with my little eye something green, calls Honk. Come on, Swo-Swoosh. Honk is giving you an easy one.
I know,
Calls Wriggly the worm.
the grass is green. I'm also green. I'm a green wriggly worm.
Honk and Swo-Swoosh told Toot about the game they were playing. Toot also wants to play I Spy.
I spy something white,
Says Toot. The waves are white, shouts Honk.
The clouds! I spy something blue.
Shouts Swo-Swoosh. Honk and Toot tried to guess the answer. The sky is blue. The sea is blue. I know. Swo-Swoosh is blue, calls Honk. Honk and Swo-Swoosh played I Spy with Toot for the whole day. Have fun, everybody. Good night, birds. Sleep tight, bunnies. There's Honk the car and Swo-Swoosh the helicopter. They're up late. Look, Toot the boat is getting ready to sail out to sea. Wally the whale is going on a long journey far across the sea.
Thanks for coming to wave goodbye,
Says Wally the whale. Have a safe journey, Wally, says Honk. Wally's family are calling him. Toot will guide Wally out of the harbor.
Are you sure you can make it home in the dark, Honk? Swo-Swoosh?
Asked Toot. Honk and Swo-Swoosh aren't afraid of the dark. Their headlights will show them the way home. Toot doesn't have a light. How is Toot going to find his way in the dark?
Oh, don't worry about me,
Chuckles Toot.
That old lighthouse always shows me the way back to Springland.
Bye, Wally!
Suddenly, it was cold and getting quite dark. Honk and Swo-Swoosh knew it was time to go home. It's a tiny bit scary being alone in the dark, but Honk is very brave. The wind has made the sea rough. Poor old Toot must sail on the top of the bumpy, choppy waves.
That's far enough, Toot,
Shouts Wally the whale.
Thanks for showing me the way, old friend. I think I better head back.
Shouts Toot.
I'll follow the light back to Springland.
Oh dear, the lighthouse has stopped working. How will Toot find his way back to Springland? Honk knew that sound. Toot needs help. What's happened to the light from the lighthouse? Honk knew Toot would never find his way back in the dark.
I'm lost,
Thinks Toot.
How am I going to find my way back to Springland?
Honk had a very good idea. His lights would help Toot find his way back home. Come on, Toot, shouts Honk. Follow my headlights. Phew, that was lucky. Toot knew which way to go.
Thank you, Honk,
says Toot the boat.
You're the bravest and cleverest little car in the world. That lighthouse needs fixing in the morning.
Look, the full moon. The wind has stopped blowing. Springland looks so lovely at night.
Honk the car! The hero of Springland, everybody! Hip hip hooray!
It was time to go and watch the lighthouse being fixed. It was another day of adventure in Springland. Morning, rabbits. Morning, birds. Morning, Honk the car. Honk is very excited. He wants everyone in Springland to watch him play with his balloon. Honk tells the sheep that his balloon can bounce up and down. Fluffy and Floppy, the bunny rabbits, always love to play with Honk. Balloon games are such fun. There's Torty the turtle. Oh dear, Honk must look where he's driving.
Stop, Honk! Stop!
Shout the rabbits just in time. Phew, that was close. Lucky the rabbits warned Honk. Oh no! Honk stopped so quickly, his balloon is blown away. Poor Honk wants to go catch his balloon, but Torty is in the way. Come on, Slowpoke. Honk tried his best to be patient. Look, it's Swo-Swoosh the helicopter.
Hey, Honk! Did you lose your balloon?
Calls Swo-Swoosh. Honk admitted it was true. Please, can you help? Asks Honk.
No problem, Honk!
Shouts Swo-Swoosh.
Swo-Swoosh to the rescue!
But the more Swo-Swoosh and Honk chase that clever balloon, the further it blows away. Is Honk's balloon magic? How will they ever catch it?
I know why you can't catch your balloon.
Bleats Lolly the lamb. But Honk and Swoshoosh didn't hear Lolly. They were too busy chasing that crazy balloon. Don't think you can trick us, you silly old balloon, shouts Honk. Hey, I know why you were flying away from us, calls Honk. Honk knew the answer. Come back, Swo-Swoosh, nice and slowly, calls Honk. A surprised Swo-Swoosh does just what his friend asked. Okay, Swo-Swoosh, now you can land and stop your propeller. The little helicopter doesn't understand. Honk has to explain. The wind from Swo-Swoosh's propellers made the balloon fly further and further away. Isn't that a surprise, everyone? Says Honk. Have fun, everybody.